Alright, today we're going to talk about the discriminant. And so you're going to want to make sure that you have the paper from the other day, finding the vertex from standard form. Let's just talk about that for a second. So this is the formula right here, negative b over 2a. That is how we find the axis of symmetry, the x value of your vertex. Alright, so when you look through this, the a value in front of this was 1, and then 3, and then 5. We wrote those over here, and then we just plug them into this right here to figure out what the x value of the vertex is. Okay, so now let's talk about the discriminant. The discriminant is really, it's how we determine the number of solutions. Okay, so if it's positive, it equals 2 solutions. Okay. If it's negative, equals no solutions. And then if it is 0, that means that there is only one solution. Okay. And just to kind of remind you graphically, if it's positive, 2 solutions, so that means that that's our x-axis and it's going to go through twice. Negative, no solutions, that means that this is our x-axis and it's not going to go through at all. And then one solution would be that this was our x-axis, it's going to come down and touch it and go right back up. Right? So the discriminant is just b squared minus 4ac. So let's write that out. B squared minus 4ac. Okay. And now all we've got to do is plug in our values. B is 3, so we'll put 3 squared. And A is 1, so minus 4 times 1. And then C is 5. Now, if you struggle with adding and subtracting and multiplying with negatives and all of that, I would suggest that you put this in your calculator exactly the way it looks right here and hit enter and get the value. Alright? But if you look here, 3 squared is going to give us 9. And 5 times 1 is 5. Times 4 is 20. And 9 minus 20 equals negative 11. That means that there are no solutions. Okay. Whenever you get that negative, that means that there are no solutions. Okay, let's try another one real quick. Let's try this one right here. So the A value is 4, the B value is negative 12, and the C value is 9. So let's write that out. B squared minus 4AC. Right? And B is going to be negative 12. So negative 12, I'm going to put that in parentheses squared because we're squaring the negative as well. Which on a side note will make that positive. Alright, and then 4 there, and then A is 4 times 4 again, and C is 9, so 9 times 9. 12 squared is 144. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 9 is what? 144. So what did that tell us about this situation? It tells us that equals 0. That means that there is only one solution. Right? And we could graph that and look at it and see that there's only one solution. Alright? So go ahead and find the discriminant, find if it has 1, 2, or no solutions for the rest of this page. The third one down here, and then the 4 on the back. Thanks.